Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel here once again. Today we're going to be unboxing the DOS Professional 4C keyboard. So let's get started. Okay, so let's open up the packaging. Let's get started. So at the back you can just get a nice white packaging. At the back it gives you information that uses mechanical key switches with gold-plated contacts, UV hard coating protection caps, extra long 2-meter cable, sleek design, authorized aluminum top panel, full end key rollover, Windows disable key, 2-port USB, and also media and special function key. And this is the brown switches. Keep in mind, this is not like the Cherry MX Brown switches that they're using the green tech switches, which honestly you're not going to tell the difference between the browns and the brown Cherry MX Browns compared to these, which I think for me they sound almost similar. But I really love how they sound tactile, not the tactile feel, but I love how they sound. So we're also going to do a test of that. You guys can hear it. Even though you're probably not going to hear it that good because, you know, I got the AC running at full blast. So pretty nice packaging. I want to go back with some compact size keyboard again. And a good friend of mine was talking about me DOS keyboard, so I wanted to give it a shot. Also, let's get started and let's look inside. As you see, good packaging inside. Nice materials to protect the keyboard. And also, this is pretty interesting. This thing uses also under the keyboard, but you can also use this for a ruler. That is amazing, man. Like, that is crazy. So now I know when I need a ruler to measure something or draw a line, I just reach under my keyboard and use this. So of course, so alright, so let's take it out of this beautiful packaging right here. If I can get it out slowly. There it is. Yes, I got it. So there it goes. So let's start from the wire itself. Keep in mind, this is not a braided cable. It only comes with one USB cable, which I'm surprised. I thought maybe it would come with two, but which is even more awesome. And now let's open up the package itself. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, the DOS keyboard, very small, compact, and we're going to do the sound test right now. Also uses these switches. If I could take them out, let me see if I can take out at least one of them. Just to show you guys. These things are really tough to come out. Jesus, I need one of those the key tool to remove. So as you see, very small, very light, but really nice build quality keyboard. So you see right here. Now I believe this thing goes under here. Oh wow. So you see, so it has this magnetized thing right here at the bottom, 2 magnets that hold it in place. So that way, let's move this keyboard out of the way. So that way you have like a little bit lift right here at the bottom, which is awesome. So I'm gonna pause the video, guys, to show you how the brown switches look. So again, very light, very high quality keyboard. So I can remove one of the keycaps, but I like how it looks. Very small, compact, aluminum at the top. It doesn't feel like plastic, and this thing is built like a freaking tank, which I like it. Now they only have 2 versions of this keyboard: the Professional 4C keyboard from DOS keyboard. One of them, as you see in front of you, is the brown switches. The other one has the blue switches. Now they did came out with a new version, which is a full-size keyboard of this bad boy, but it's gonna run you like about anywhere from $160 to $200. And they are compatible running USB 3.0 with the, also I forgot to show you right here, these are the two high-speed USB 2.0s, the new versions, but not for the 4C, the full-size one. This is 10 keyless one. Has the 3.0 for the newer version full-size keyboard. This one, since I want to go compact, is a USB 2.0 full speed, which is pretty awesome. I like how it is. Very nice compact, because the reason why I returned the Logitech G910, one, it's like literally every time I've been playing with mouse, I literally hit the keyboard and the mouse. So I need to have this extra room right here because I do play low DPI. But also, I forgot to tell you guys, this keyboard doesn't light up either, so keep that in mind. But for me, that doesn't bother me because I have the lamp. So, and also, I really don't care about backlit LEDs. So I just wanted to go different, man. Honestly, I just want to stay away from backlighting, man. I just want to go something like if I'm really gonna spend the money, I want to make sure that it's worth spend. Like for example, I know you guys thinking like, damn, this kid go with different shit. Because honestly, I'm looking for something that I'm going to love. Same thing, I'll give you examples with my headphones. I spend, I invest a lot of money on going with one of the best gaming headsets out there, and it didn't work out. Now I found what I love and I stick with it. Same thing with this, everything else you see right here. I just want to get something that's best, that's going to last me, that I'm going to appreciate at the end. And I look like I found myself a solid winner. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, comment, subscribe, please be safe. Don't do drugs. Drugs are bad for you kids. Never do drugs. And don't run naked. And that's it. The video is over. Take care, guys. Have a beautiful weekend. Enjoy your summer. And good night.